We've all been there, haven't we? That crushing weight of defeat. The sting of a dream slipping through our fingers. It feels like the end of everything. But what if failure isn't the end at all? What if it's the very beginning? Meet Alex, not born with a silver spoon, but with a fire in the heart and a mind full of ideas. Alex dreamed of creating something that would change lives, a portable solar charger called EcoCharge, designed for off-grid communities. Night after night, Alex worked tirelessly, sketching, soldering, testing, skipping meals, running on hope and determination. The dream was alive, but fragile. 4 failures strike, and then came launch day. Instead of triumph, disaster struck. EcoCharge failed spectacularly. Panels cracked, batteries overheated, reviews were brutal, investors pulled out, friends offered pity instead of praise. And Alex was left with debt and despair. Shame consumed every thought. The whispers of doubt grew louder. You're not good enough. It was foolish. You're a failure. For a moment, Alex almost believed it, almost gave up. But deep down, a spark remained. A quiet voice whispered back, "This is not the end." And for the first time, Alex didn't run from failure. Instead, they embraced it. Alex gathered every broken piece, every harsh review, every lesson, and with humility began again. This time not with ego, but with open eyes. Alex went to the people they wanted to help. They didn't pitch ideas, they listened. They learned. They lived in the struggles of rural communities and finally saw the real need. Out of failure, a new idea was born, Aquaflow. A simple, durable, low-cost water purification system powered by kinetic energy. Not flashy, not perfect, but real. When Aquaflow launched, it didn't fail, it flourished. Villages gained clean water, children laughed with joy, families smiled with relief. And Alex? They found more than success. They found purpose. Today, Aquaflow has brought clean water to hundreds of thousands across continents, and Alex stands not as someone who never failed, but as someone who turned failure into their greatest teacher. So remember this, failure isn't the opposite of success. It's a stepping stone toward it. Every stumble is a lesson. Every closed door, a new path. Just like Alex, you too can rise from failure. Stronger, wiser, unstoppable. Don't give up. Learn. Adapt. Rise.